Okay.
Even when I go like this, I feel like I am good.
What is that? I'm sorry.
When I go like this. City will be in the back.
Oh, I don't know if this thing's getting hot over here. Oh, they got a Ferris wheel. Look at that. Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah, we used to get on those a lot.
No, not me. I don't get on it. Nah.
I think that's Navy Pier, no? Or it's a different
No, that's a different one. Navy Pier is much bigger than that.
Yeah.
Let's see if we could. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, that's a smaller one. Why this thing is not recording? Okay, now it's going. All right. Now it's recording. Look at that. Taco, $10.
Smoky steak soul taco. Maybe over there, you want a taco?
Yeah, we get taco over here.
You said it right,
Oh, the Chinese over there. I'd probably go for the taco. What do you want?
I do want a taco.
Oh, I'm sorry?
I do want a taco.
You want a taco? Okay, so where do we go? Are we going over there? Yeah, let's check it out. See what they got, or we go on the other side or something. Vietnamese.
To grab a map to find all the fun. Thanks for coming to Taste of Chicago and
Macho.
enjoy.
Oh, they got some tacos over there, I think. I think so.
Some look like very busy. Like, I think the ones that are like very busy have the best ones.
Oh, I see, yeah. You got the fairy tale. They're the same company, I think, don't it? They're different?
I think of it.
What is it?
That's not the best. Where's my background? I didn't know that you want a tamale.
I'm sorry?
It has tamale.
Where do they got tamale?
You want one?
I got a taste for taco, but you want tamale or you want taco?